Ancestry has more than 27 billion records online, and not all of them are going to come up as hints in your tree, so you might have to do a little searching. Here are 2 basic ways to do that. First, search directly from a person in your tree. This takes everything you know about them, however much or little, and automatically enters it into the Ancestry search form. Review the search results looking for anything that might have been missed by Ancestry hints. This is called a broader global search. The second type of search is more specific. Look at what information you're missing about a person in your tree and try to search for only records that have that information. For example, if you're missing a birth date, go to the birth, marriage, and death category under search and only enter information that might be found on a birth record. You can edit your searches at any time to account for spelling variations and date guesstimates, uncertain locations. Just look for the filters on every search field. And that's Genealogy in a minute.